Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the job board template and explore its contents. To install job board, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template boosts employee satisfaction and help them to discover new opportunities within your organisation. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the vacancy model. This contains properties to store data on new vacancies within the organisation. The model contains 4 workflows. Find them in the Workflows tab. Close vacancy when closed vacancy form is submitted triggers when the closed vacancy form is submitted. It automatically sets several properties in the model. Set vacancy to new and default hiring manager to current user if not specified triggers when the create new vacancy form is submitted. It sets the new vacancy property and checks if the hiring manager for the vacancy is known. The current user becomes the hiring manager if the hiring manager isn't known. Set vacancy to closing 3 days before it closes triggers when the closing date property for a vacancy is 3 days away. And remove new vacancy flag after 7 days of creating it triggers 7 days after the configured start date for a vacancy. When ready, head to the Pages section to find more new content. Locate and select the Vacancies page. This is a consumer-grade internal job board for potential candidates. We set this page background image for the template, but you can change this at any time in the page settings. A full-width rich text block sits at the top of the page, introducing the user to the page and encouraging them to make the most of the content available. The Recent Vacancies list block shows vacancies by descending start date. This is preset to only display 4 items until you select Show More. You can change the limit in the block settings. Select Browse All to open the All Vacancies page. This contains an exhaustive list block of all open vacancies without restrictions. A user can search for vacancies that meet their career goals. Candidates can view vacancy details by selecting a role. This opens the Vacancy Detail page. This page contains a dynamic title configured in the page settings. Select Apply Now. This opens the Apply for Vacancy page in a modal window. This contains a simple application process for the candidate. You might want to build an in-app method for applying for vacancies, like creating a vacancy application form with a cover letter file field to be submitted to the hiring manager. Back on the Vacancies page, a full-width rich text block separates your open vacancies and helpful content. Under the rich text block, the FAQs, knowledge, and useful links list blocks are only set to display content with the recruitment category. Make sure your recruitment-related content category is selected here. The template also adds the Vacancies dashboard page. Recruiting teams and managers can manage all vacancies here. Select Post a New Vacancy. This opens the Post a New Vacancy page in a modal window. The Open Vacancies list block shows open vacancies. Vacancies opened within the last 7 days have the new chip underneath. As a super user or hiring manager, select the menu of any item to edit or close it. Select View Closed from the block. This opens the Closed Vacancies page. The list block on this page is configured to only show closed vacancies. To see how your vacancies appear to candidates, select View Vacancies Home from the Call to Action block. Underneath, we've added a block to link to an external recruitment website. You might want to change this to the one you work with. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.